When I bring my car in for Autobody work, how will I know if the parts utilized will be new, used, or aftermarket?
Once the estimate's been completed by the body shop and the estimate's been approved by your insurance company, the approved copy will be sent back to the auto body shop. On that estimate will be a list of itemized parts for you to have a look at. You can simply look at the lines on the estimate and see whether the parts are going to be new, used, or aftermarket.
After the repair is done, will my vehicle look like new again?
The answer is a simple yes, as long as the collision repair shop has the proper equipment, the proper training and guidance, and if that collision repair facility uses OEM repair procedures, then yes, your vehicle will look like new again.
Before any work begins, are you able to provide a detailed estimate of the potential repair?
Yes, we can provide detailed estimates, but keep in mind, the true cost of that repair usually won't be known until that vehicle is in the shop and disassembled, because there could be some hidden damage that the shop did not note visually during the initial damage inspection.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.